you go, there's a Pongal, Mat Pongal, Art Pongal. The similar system, the sowing, the dances showing the sowing, the harvesting, it exists. It shows the great cultural unity that our country has. So the way these huts are built using straw, you go to any rural part of India, you find the huts built in straw. The traditional way the Khasis used to dress themselves using the dhoti or the pagdi. You start from Rajasthan and go up to the Kanyakumari, you will find the same dresses being repeated. It's good that the traditions are preserved, and music systems are the best way of preserving systems. It is high time that our children understand the heritage which their forefathers, their ancestors, they adopted. Unfortunately, in our country, in almost whole of the country, and especially in the Kashis, I have noticed that there have been this misconception that the learning or the progress has happened after the British came. And that is the unfortunate thing that our children are not aware. The European powers came to India because your forefathers, they had the culture. They came because you had the business here. European was nothing but the looters. They connected the mainland with the different parts of India just to carry the goods. Because you were able to extract iron ore long before even in the middle parts of India started excavating it, the Britishers knew the market which was here. Because there was a trade happening between the mainland and the hills. The Britishers knew the opportunities for business that existed here. So we have to understand the history of our forefathers, and we also have to know the various historical incidents, and that must be captured in our songs, in our dances, in our folklore, in our poems, in our writings. That is one way to generate pride in your culture.